Join me today as we take a look at this absolutely spectacular Bishop Mansion for sale in Detroit, Michigan. This iconic property has 12 bedrooms, 14 bath, is 34,134 square feet, which is massive. It sits on 2 acres and was built in 1925. This home is listed at $6,999,000, which I think that given the fact that this home needs a major renovation, it's actually in the middle of a major renovation. It looks like the entire upper level, once we get to those photos, is been torn out. So that would cost a significant amount of money to get that back to how it once was. So to me, the price, I don't know. It seems like there could be some room for improvement on the price with that. I don't think I would ever come in at a full price offer for something like that. But it is absolutely a dream property. I would say, if you watch this channel, you guys know I love anything historic, especially chateau, old homes. But this era is my favorite next to the Gilded Age. My absolute favorite home that has ever been for sale in the market is Winfield Hall in New York. That was the home of Frank Woolworth, which was very similar to this house. It reminds me a lot of the vibe of Winfield Hall. If you like this home, please hit that like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. If you like this content I'm doing of the old houses, would you rather me start doing some more modern homes? Whenever we do these videos, you tend to lean towards the homes that you really like. So if there's something else you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments. I would appreciate it. And let me know your thoughts on this home. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Could you see yourself in something like this? Perhaps this home could be a business opportunity, maybe a bed and breakfast. Let me know. Restoring a home like this certainly would be a major labor of love. There's a lot of work to be done here, but I'm so glad that they did seem to retain a lot of the original features, like the woodwork, the lighting. It's incredible that that's still in this house. That blows my mind. But yeah, it looks like it's like kind of a whole rebuild on that whole upper level. And here we're going to get into it looks like it might be in the next few pictures, a apartment that was redone in a very modern way, which would make me very, very sad if someone came in and redid this house in a modern way. That this garage has been done, but it would be a perfect apartment, I think, for someone. Let me know what you think. Are you cool with people renovating and doing a modern twist, or are you all about keeping everything as original as possible? have enjoyed this incredible property as much as I have. Again, I just love homes like this. Again, please hit that like and subscribe if you like this content. And as always, thank you for watching.